In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on the profile icon which is present at the top left side of your screen. Now on your profile, you have to scroll down and tap on edit public details. Now again scroll down and as you can see, I can easily view my featured photos on my Facebook account. But in your case, if you can't see them or the Facebook featured photos are not appearing, so what you simply have to do is to turn off your Facebook professional mode. So to do that, you have to come back to your Facebook account. Now you have to tap on the three dots which are present right besides advertise. Now again scroll down and tap on turn off professional mode. Now tap on continue. So now simply tap on turn off. By doing this, you will be able to easily turn off your Facebook professional mode. So once you're done, you have to tap on review default settings. Now tap on next. Now tap on confirm. So now you have to tap on done and as you can see, I have easily turned off my Facebook professional mode. So now this should be able to fix your Facebook featured photos not appearing. So to check that, you have to again scroll down and tap on edit public details. Again scroll down and you should be able to see your featured photos or highlights on your Facebook account. So to further clarify your point, you have to come back and again tap on the three dots which are present right besides edit profile. Now tap on view as. Once you tap on view as, you will be able to view your profile through the perspective of someone who is visiting your account. So now scroll down and they should be able to see your featured photos. So everyone, that's how you can fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.